guys, so for today's video, I'm gonna ask my classmates what is their MBTI test. So my MBTI test is ANFJA. So let's go ask them. Cole, what is your MBTI test?
ENFP.
ENFP. Okay. How about you?
WSTP.
What is WSTP? I don't know. How about you guys?
Hi guys, it's Vlog.
What is your MBTI test?
INTJ.
How about you?
Me? PHIS. Gaga.
Wow.
ENFJ. I think.
Okay. Thank you. What is your MBTI result?
INTJ.
INTJ.
LMSC.
LMSC. Hello, Ayan. What is your MBTI test result?
NTP.
INTP. Nice. Hello, what is your MBTI test results?
ENFJT.
Okay, how about you?
ISFJ.
How about you?
ISTPA.
Hey! What is your MBTI test results?
Ano na siya?
Wala siya kasama.
Oh, it doesn't have. Let's try again. What is your MBTI test results?
ENFPA.
Hello, Oscar. So, what is your MBTI test results?
Taurus.
Taurus?
ESTP.
ESTP. Okay, thank you.
Hi.
Hello, Shine. What is your MBTI test results?
INTJ.
INTJ. What is your MBTI test results?
INFJ. ANT. Advocate.
Same. So, Cherry didn't answer it properly, but now she will. What is your MBTI test results?
INFP. The superior MBTI.
Wow. Hey, Kailin, what is your MBTI test results?
Nano, INTJ.
INTJ, okay. How about you, Mr. Eric?
INTP.
INTP. Okay. So, that's all of my classmates that have taken the test of MBTI test results, and yeah, unfortunately I didn't find any more of my classmates. So that's all for today's video, guys, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next vlog. Bye!